That's a Chevy Camaro with a V8 in it, Art, and we've just passed Market Street, and we're underneath I-10, just past I-10 now, coming up on the North Loop, on the feeder street, because as you can tell, freeway traffic is extra heavy this afternoon over here, coming up on Highway 90, blowing through red lights, just barely missing that car right there. But the chase is on. It took us quite a while to find the white Camaro. Did a lot of double backs and a lot of loop arounds. It started over there by the University of Houston and had police going in every direction. We finally caught up with the Camaro. We're up here with HPD, so we're up here with them and trying to get this Camaro stopped. Right now, they're at a stoplight, and he's got himself stopped right now. Yeah. Not quite sure what's going to happen here. We're just going to have to wait and see. Everybody's going, so let's see if he's going to stay or if he's going to go. To be honest with you, I'm not quite sure. We're up here on the East Loop. Alan, can you help me to give me the cross street here?